Hi, I'm Anna, and today, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about all-day slimming tea before you buy it. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you need to know about all-day slimming tea is, be careful about the website where you are going to buy it, because all-day slimming tea is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the official website link below in the description of this video. So what is all-day slimming tea, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, all-day slimming tea does work. Now it is finally possible to melt your body fat fast. This brand new program has already been tested by thousands of beta users, and the feedback has been excellent. It even contains nutrient-rich ingredients that can strengthen your immune system, provide youthful energy throughout the day, improve mental clarity and concentration, increase your metabolism and energy levels, and reduce your appetite and cravings for carbohydrates. Of course, the results have been proven many times over. There is no doubt that this is a very effective way to burn fat, improve brain function, increase energy, and feel younger. So yes, you can trust this product. There are already many people getting great results with all-day slimming tea, and you can get results too. However, you have to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I say this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can test all-day slimming tea for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like them for any reason, they will refund your money. Also, for all-day slimming tea to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. I am very happy to introduce to you the new all-day slimming tea, the only scientifically proven weight loss tea that rejuvenates the deadly mitochondria in your cells so they produce energy and burn fat 24/7. Due to this synergistic effect, your body will lose weight naturally, while you improve your health and feel 10 years younger. The tea has the potential to detoxify all the cells in your body, thus unlocking the energy reserves, which make you feel young again, allowing you to lose weight faster than anything you have tried so far. And the best part is that you won't have to restrict your food intake, nor will you have to diet or exercise to lose weight. I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the websites where you go to buy the all-day slimming tea. If you buy the product, remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that the product will help improve your life, and many other benefits that all-day slimming tea promotes.